Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 12, and the chapter is The Elves and the Shoemaker. So, students, I think you don't know the word elves. Yes, so I will make you understand firstly what is the meaning of elves. Students, elves are the persons who use magic, who do magical things. Okay, so the chapter is about the elves and the shoemaker. So I think by knowing its name, you are feeling, I think, very much interested because children always like magic stories. Yes, so get ready for the reading of the chapter. I will make you understand the full chapter thoroughly. So try to listen to me very carefully, only then you can understand. So let's start the reading of the chapter. Once upon a time, there was a poor and honest shoemaker who had worked hard all his life but wasn't rich at all. So, once upon a time, all the stories start with this line. Once upon a time means long time ago, there was a poor and honest shoemaker. There was a shoemaker. Now, who is shoemaker? The person who makes shoes. जो शूज़ बनाता है. ओके, सो जो वो शू मेकर था, ही वॉज वेरी पुअर, गरीब था वो, एंड ऑनेस्ट, और ईमानदार था. हु हैड वर्कड हार्ड ऑल हिज लाइफ. पूरी लाइफ में उसने बहुत मेहनत की बट वॉजंट रिच एट ऑल. बट ही वॉज पुअर. He was very hardworking, yet he was poor, he was not rich. They made all kinds of shoes. You can see here, this is the shop of that shoemaker. Shoemakers. You can see here, वो इस टाइप के शूज़ बनाते थे. स्लीपर्स, शूज़, स्पोर्ट शूज़ टाइप. This one. So this one is the owner of the shop. Wife, there is only one pair left to make. What shall we do now? He is saying that now we are having only one pair to make. Actually, the shoemaker needs material to make shoes. You can see here, this is the leather, and these are some things, scissor and these all things. By the help of these things, this shoemaker makes shoes. So he is saying that now I have only leather that is suitable for only one pair. And what shall we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? He is speaking to his wife. She is sitting here. They were very poor, no matter how hard the shoemaker tried. He couldn't save enough for more than just one piece of leather, enough to make only one pair of shoes. वो बहुत गरीब थे, दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ बहुत मेहनत करते थे, फिर भी उनके पास एक पेयर बनाने के लिए ही लेदर हो पाता था रोज. Okay, so move on the next page. Every evening he would cut the leather and prepare it for the next day so that he could start working early in the morning. Every evening he would cut out the leather. In the evening he cut the leather and made it ready for making shoes early in the morning. Okay, he went to bed with a light heart because his conscience was clear. Conscience means spirit, soul, atma was clear, and he had left his troubles to God. उसके पास एक ही पेयर बनाने के लिए लेदर है, फिर भी वो रात को जब बेड पे जाता है सोने के लिए तो लाइट हार्ट जाता है, मीन्स बर्डन फील नहीं करता है। वाई? क्योंकि उसकी कॉन्शियस क्लियर है, उसकी जो सोल है ना वो बिल्कुल क्लियर है, और उसने अपनी सारी ट्रबल्स गॉड को दे दी हैं। ही थिंक्स दैट गॉड विल कम एंड हेल्प मी। Don't worry. See, his wife is speaking here. Don't worry, we will work something out. This night wasn't any different than other night, and the man soon fell asleep. Their all nights were same as usual. Okay, so this night was also not different than any other. So he left his tensions, he gave his troubles to God, and he fell asleep. So gaya wo. When he woke up in the morning, he sat at his workbench and looked for the leather. Next morning, he woke up early in the morning, okay, because he was ready to make shoes. रात को उसने लेदर कट करके रखा था, अब वो रेडी था। तो जैसे ही वो अपने वर्क बेंच पे गया, बट इट वॉज मिसिंग। उसने लेदर उठाया कि मैं शूज़ बनाऊं, बट लेदर वॉज नॉट देयर, इट वॉज मिसिंग। ही स्टूड इन वंडर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द काउंटर। हैरान होकर वो काउंटर के सामने खड़ा हो गया। इंस्टेड ही फाउंड अ न्यू पेयर ऑफ शूज़। लेदर वॉज नॉट देयर ऑन द काउंटर, there were these there was this one pair of shoes. It was already made. He looked at how the shoes were made to see whether they had any faults. He was watching the shoes very carefully, that if these shoes are having any fault. But no matter how carefully he looked, he couldn't find a single bad stitch. He observed the shoes very carefully, but there was no any fault. God, the shoes are made so perfectly. The job was perfect and the shoes were a masterpiece. What is masterpiece? Masterpiece होता है जब कोई चीज़ absolutely बिल्कुल perfect होती है, that is called masterpiece. So these are the shoes. This is the pair of shoes जो वहाँ पर अपने आप ही आ गई. So students, today we have read this much and tomorrow we will continue this. I hope you all have understood me. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, please. I will feel good if you will write there anything in comment section that I am teaching how, if you are understanding me or not, if you are having any query, any doubt, then you can ask me. I'll try to give your answers. Okay, thank you so much.